Creating a three-panel geometric wall hanging is an exciting and artistic process that anyone can create with some basic materials. Follow this step-by-step guide to craft your own unique wall art. Gather your materials. Start by arranging your materials on a clean workspace. You'll need paper sticks, glue, a ruler, scissors, black paint, and a brush. Building the frames, select the longer sticks and glue them together to form three identical rectangular frames. Make sure each corner is aligned evenly to maintain a sturdy and well-proportioned base.
Want to support us by hitting the like button, sharing with friends, and don't forget to press the free subscribe button. Want to support us by hitting the like button, sharing with friends, and don't forget to press the free subscribe button.
Painting, with all the elements glued and dried, it's time to unify the design with color. Use your brush and black paint to coat each panel, ensuring coverage of the mountain lines, sun, and rays. The paint will give the installation a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. Final touch and hanging. Once the paint has dried completely, your wall hanging is ready to display. Find a suitable spot on a wall where the piece can be admired and use adhesive hooks or nails to mount each panel side by side, maintaining equal spacing to highlight the triptych effect.
Want to support us by hitting the like button, sharing with friends, and don't forget to press the free subscribe button.